Hello friends, welcome to Max Tips for All. Today we are going to learn the basic concepts of algebra. So let's enter into the video. Firstly, let's know what is an algebra. Algebra is nothing but it is a generalized form of arithmetic. That means that an expression which includes the arithmetics like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So you might have came across this arithmetics. Then let's take an example for this algebra. When coming back to algebra, you will come across the alphabets A, B, C, D, it may be any alphabet. Next example of some algebraic expression so that you can clearly understand what is an algebra. So for example, 7x is an algebraic expression and 3a minus 4bc is a algebraic expression. These two are the algebraic expression because it includes the alphabets like x, a, b and c. In this algebraic expressions, a, x, b and c are called as variables or literal numbers or literals. It is having the three names, so you can call it with any name, but we will be using as variables because most of them prefer to use it as variables. So children, remember that a, x, b and c are called as variables. Okay. Next, how to write the statements in algebraic form. Suppose if they give a sentence, then how to convert that into a algebraic form. Let's take an example of a statement. Here is a statement. A increased by 2y is 4y. It means that A is increased. A is getting more. We know that always more is plus by 2y. So A plus 2y is equal to 45. So let's check the algebraic form for that. Yes, a plus 2y is equal to 45. Next, let's take another example. Q subtracted from 6 is less than y. Here most of them make a mistake in this. Q subtracted from 6. From 6 we are removing Q. So it should be 6 minus Q. Not Q minus 6, because from 6 we are removing this Q variable. We will call Q A as variable, children. Don't forget that. Is less than y. So 6 minus Q is less than y. So the crocodile closed mouth towards the Q, 6 minus Q. Here it is. So this is less than symbol because 6 minus Q is less. So the crocodile mouth should be closed over there, and towards the variable y side the crocodile mouth should be open because it is more. I hope you know this greater than and lesser than. Okay, let's take a next example. 4y divided by 5 is equal to 6. Here we are dividing 4x by 5 with 5. So 4x should be in the numerator and 5 should be in the denominator, is equal to 6. Let's check the algebraic form. Okay, let's take the example and later on we will check the answer for this algebraic form. 3 multiplied by z. 3 is multiplied by z. So 3 multiplied with z is greater. So 3z is greater. So crocodile mouth should be open towards the 3z side because it is greater. Let's check the answer here. Yeah, I hope you understood this how to write the statements algebraic form for a given statement. Let's enter into our next topic. Constants and variable. What are constants and variable in this algebraic expression? It is very important to know about this. Constant and variable. Constant. Let's know about it. Constant is a fixed value. It means that it does not changes in any situation. Here is an example for example of a constant from a algebraic expression. So 5y plus 5z plus 34 is a algebraic expression. In this, 34 will be the constant because this value never changes. In this term 4y and 5z term, this value may change depending upon the value of y. If suppose, let's take an example of this. See, in the above example, 34 is a constant, as I said, because it does not changes. It does not have any variables beside that, so that the value keeps on changing. But in the term okay, let's enter into the next one. What is variable? Here we will know about that detail. In this, it is not fixed. In this, the variable is not fixed. It keeps on changing upon the depending on the situation. So let's take example here. X plus 5y plus 45. This is a algebraic expression. In this, x and y are the variables. 5y are the y are the variables in this. So these two values keeps on changing depending upon the value of x and value of y. Here let's take example. In this let's take example of the term 5y. 5y is a variable. Okay. So in this, 5 is constant, but y variable will be keep on changing. If suppose, so 5y becomes variable. If suppose y will be taken as considered as 1, then the answer will be 5. In the same case, if y is equal to 2, then it is 10. 5 2s are 10. So it's keep on changing depending upon this y value. So it is called as variable. I hope you understood the difference between this constant and variable very clearly. Next, what is a term? A term is a constant or variable or coefficient product of a constant and variable. Coefficient is nothing but division, product is nothing but multiplication. So let's take example of this. Here in this, x is a variable, 5y is also a variable. I said you because y term keeps on changing, so we cannot get a fixed value in that. Here 3 divided by z, that's what coefficient of 3 is constant and z is a variable. Here it is a coefficient of constant and variable, and 8 is a constant. It is always fixed. The value of 8 does not changes. Next, 8 is a term, as I explained you before. 8 is a term. 8 is also considered as a term, and 3 by z is also a term. 5y is also a term, and x is also a term. But this x is called as variable. 8 is called as constant. 3z and 5y is also a variable because it keep on changing depending upon the value of y and z. There are two types of terms. Let's know what is that. First one is like term and another is unlike term. If like terms have same variables are same. In an algebraic expression, if the variables are same, as I already said you, variables are nothing but the alphabets x, y, a, b or anything. It should be same. Next, what is this unlike term? In this unlike term, the variables are different. The variables, that is x, y and everything is different. Let's take example of that so that you can clearly understand. Numerical coefficient What is a numerical coefficient? Numerical coefficient is nothing but a number next to the variables are called as numerical coefficient. It may be different. It does. The numerical coefficient is need not to be same. Even in the unlike term may be different. The numerical coefficients may be different. In the example, I will let you know what is this numerical coefficient. Here 5y, 7y, 8y. Here y is a variable. Y in all these three algebraic expressions, y is variable, and here what is this numerical coefficient is 5, 7, 8 are called as numerical coefficient which are next to the variables. So here all the variables y are same in all these three examples. So it is called as like term. I hope you understood. Next unlike terms. See here 6z, 5xy, 9x is a variables. Variable x, y, z, x, y, x are different. See in this the variables z, x, y and x are different. But this numerical coefficient 6, 5, 9 are different. So this is called as unlike term. You can compare between these two and you can clearly understand what are like terms and what are unlike terms. Okay friends, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the bell button. Thank you. Bye bye.